Hey, are you struggling to manage your family's finances in a way that honors God? Do you feel overwhelmed by the debt that you have and maybe you're unsure how to provide for your loved ones? Well, you're not alone. Many families face challenges such as these, and there is a better way out there. So today we are going to talk about how to create a family budget that aligns with biblical principles. And if we don't already know each other, my name is Katie Jones. I am a certified Christian financial counselor, and I help believers such as yourself learn how to manage your money in light of the gospel, so ultimately you can go and free your money up to pursue your unique calling. I'm also a wife to a super cool youth pastor, a mama to a very cute little baby boy, and a foster mama to a wonderful, goofy 4-year-old. So a family budget is more than just a financial tool. It is a reflection of both your values and your priorities. When it's rooted in biblical principles, it can bring peace, stability, and a sense of purpose to your household. So today we will cover the essential steps to creating a family budget that honors God. We'll discuss setting goals, tracking your expenses, and creating your spending plan. So step number 1 to creating your budget is to set financial goals. This is important because having clear financial goals helps you stay focused and motivated with your budget. So consider what you'd like to maybe save money for, or possibly if you're working on eliminating debt, you can create that as a goal, but be very specific with it as you set these goals. I'd recommend involving your family in setting these goals so you can foster a sense of shared responsibility. Maybe print out some sheets to put on your fridge to track your goals. That way you can encourage each other as you work to meet your goals together. Step number 2 is to track your expenses. This is really important because you want to understand where your money is going before you can actually tell it where to go. This is essential in creating an effective budget. So understand your spending habits before you can create new ones. In order to do this, I recommend using a budgeting app or maybe some spreadsheets in order to track your expenses. You can check out the exact spreadsheets that I use for our household budget as well as the one that I use with my clients in the description box below. Step number 3 is to create your actual spending plan. So this is setting the actual limits for all of your expenses. So this will help you allocate your income towards things like your goals, your priorities, and your family's needs. I'd recommend as you're setting these limits not to restrict yourself too much. Remember your values, your new set goals, your spending habits that you just learned, as well as simply your family's needs. And the last step is simply just to manage and adjust your budget. Creating the perfect family budget is not going to happen in the first month, especially if you are new to budgeting. But don't lose hope. Continue to manage and adjust as you see fit and as your family's needs change. I recommend setting a weekly or maybe a bi-weekly budget meeting with your family or your spouse in order to keep track of where you're at with your new spending plan, and take time once a month to plan out the next month's budget ahead of time. By following these simple steps and applying biblical principles to your finances, you can create a family budget that brings peace, prosperity, and honors God. If you'd like to learn more about how to create this kind of family budget, one that honors God and brings peace to your household, I host a free budget workshop once a month, and we cover all these tips in more detail, making it a little bit more practical. Make sure to sign up by clicking the link in the description box below. And remember, a budget is not meant to be a straitjacket. It's a tool to help you achieve your financial goals and live a life that aligns with your faith. With God's guidance and your commitment, you can create a prosperous and fulfilling financial future for your family. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to learn more about how to become an excellent money manager of the resources God has given you, and I hope to see you at our next workshop.